Hey everyone, it's Gabe from Mission Pinball, and I want to show you a quick tour of the new show capabilities that we can do with the Mission Pinball Framework, and specifically on this conversion of 1974 Gottlieb Big Shot. We've made a few additions to this machine since we posted a video. Among them is this see-through coin door that can just let people look through there and see how we've taken out the original guts and put in the new stuff. And something that's hard to see just because I have the lights off in here to show the show a little bit better is this toggle switch. This toggle switch is what we're going to call our time machine. And currently it's in 1974 mode. So right now the game looks just like it would have in attract mode, or what you would call attract mode in 1974. But if we flip that switch down here, we can see that the game instantly wakes up and starts doing things that you would expect a more modern pinball machine to do. We have a wipe going across the back box. We can do snakes up the match lights. And down here on the play field, we've got a lane light animation. We've got the special and the pop bumper and so on. And the coolest thing is the rack of balls down here. We can do a lot of different things with that. So we're having fun creating shows that just kind of show off what we can do with MPF. And really, it's just fun to make this game sort of come alive more than we've ever seen it before. We can also do, we can control lights as well as coils with our shows. So we actually have the ability to make music. This is so much fun because we have this challenge that's kind of fun to work through, where we have three relatively weird notes. It's like C5, D5 sharp, and F5 sharp, which they don't really make anything special. That's not a common set of notes to use. So we're having some fun trying to figure out how we can use those, but we can also start using the different coils in the game to establish sort of a baseline. So we can have a real guttural sound coming from the drop target reset coils. We can have a lighter sound, say, coming from the pop bumper. And of course we have slingshots and flippers that we can use too, either for the animation of them or for the sounds. And so we're going to put some more stuff together between now and Expo to make that work. And maybe even at Expo we'll use, leverage some of the people that are coming by to help us create even more unique and interesting shows for this game. There's one other thing I want to show, and that is in a game we've added a new show as well. Oh, I'll show you. The switch is great because when we turn it back into classic mode, it just goes into classic mode. And as soon as we flip it back, it just picks up right where it left off, like the show was playing in the background the whole time. So if we start the game, we have a ball ready, and I won't launch it, I'll just show you up here. So when we hit a left bank target here, we have an animation that plays down from this corner across the rack of balls, and if we hit something from the right side, we have an animation that plays down from this way. So this is just one more example of things that we can do. We can of course have this thing play the normal chimes for 1,000 or 100 or 10s hit, but we'll see what we keep and what we don't when we put this thing into modern mode. But of course we can always just flip that switch down here back into classic mode and play this thing just as it was in 1974. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you at Expo.